Good morning, student. Myself, Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the practical session. In this session, we are going to learn how to give the cell references and number format in our functions and formulas. In the last class, we have learned about how to give functions and formulas in our worksheet. Now, we will learn different types of cell references which we can use in our formulas. So let's start. This is a worksheet in which the sale of the day has been recorded for a particular product. Here's the name of the purchaser, rate, and the quantity. Now we have to calculate the amount. First cell reference is the relative reference when we have to change the value of both the column and the row. Then we will use the cell reference as relative reference. Okay. Here I put the simple formula. Just put the equal to sign, quantity multiplied by rate. That is our amount. And the next, it's also the same formula. We have the different rate and the different quantity. So I just drag it. It automatically changes the value. In this cell, I just zoom it so that you can see. Here is the formula E4 into D4. Here is the formula E4 into D4. But when I have copied it here, it will show you the value E5 into D5. Okay. This is the relative reference. That means when we copy the formula, the cell reference automatically changes according to the row and column. This is known as the relative reference. But suppose we have some more customers and the rate is the same, the quantity is changed. Okay, I have changed the quantity, but the rate is the same. Then what we have to do is, I have to put formula this quantity multiplied by rate. Now, what is the cell reference of rate is D5. What I will do, I will put the dollar sign. Okay, it has been calculated. Now I just copy it and paste it. Here is also the cell value is D7 into D5. Okay, it highlights the cells which you can see which is used in the formula. You can see that. Okay, whenever we see the formula, it will show the cells used in particular formula. This type of reference in which we copy the formula and the cell address of only the single value or a particular value has been changed, and for the some particular, as here we have done for the quantity, it has not been changed because I have put the dollar sign. So this type of reference is known as absolute reference. Okay, this reference is known as the absolute reference. We rarely use the third one, that is the mixed reference, in which we just fix out only the column or the row, but that doesn't required by us. Here we are changing the row and column both, but if we don't change the column, we change only the row, it is also doing the same thing in the relative reference. When we copy the formula, it's changing the column name with the, yes, it's changing the row name without changing the column name. Yes. So These are the cell references which are used in the Excel. Now we will talk about the number formats. When we are having some calculation, we can give our values in number format from here. Just give the two decimal places. We can increase and decrease this decimal places. With this, we can decrease, and with this, we can increase. This is increased decimal and decreased decimal. Okay. If we have to put the dollar sign, we can convert it to the, okay, हम डॉलर साइन की बजाय हम अपना रुपी लगाना ज्यादा पसंद करेंगे. We are Indians, so we just converted into the accounting. We are calculating the values on this, but still we can put the rupee sign, the rate and in the amount. Okay, you have seen what happened. This is which you have read in the errors. This is hashtag error. That means the width of the column is not appropriate according to the value. We just change the width and that error gone. Okay. So you have learned one more thing in this video. Okay. These are the number formats which is shown in this list. All are the number formats. You can change the formatting of a cell according to your requirement. Okay. Whenever you want any type of formatting, you can change. If I am putting some date here, suppose 12 December 2019, I'm writing this. Okay, this is the date format. Automatically changes to the date format, but if it doesn't, you can change it. You can convert it to the short date. Right, like this. With the month and with the day. Okay, you can change the format according to your use. These are the number formats. Whichever format you want in your cell, you can choose it by yourself. That's all for this session. I hope you got the point how to work in Excel practically. If you have Excel at your home or in your phone or in your laptop or desktop, you can try these things at home and you can send your videos or your files to me on WhatsApp. That's all for this session. Bye everyone. Stay safe at home and enjoy your studies.